caught in the crossfire. It's caught in the
What's up, guys? Mark's 24/7 Dirtworks here. Alright, today we're gonna be topping off this driveway. And then we'll be extending out here. Adding a pad so they can park their RV. We're gonna do 4 inches thick crushed asphalt out here. And then the driveway, we're just going to do 3 inches and regrade everything so the water drains correctly. Let's get to it. What's up, guys? You know what we're here for. Let's get to that paper. Anyways, welcome back to Mark's Dirtworks here. Do me a favor, smash that like button and subscribe. It helps the algorithm get a little friendly on the content we're putting out. That'd be great. Appreciate it. Anyways, damn, look at that rig. So happy with the way that lift turned out on the old Dirty Max. Truck's a beast. I've been greatly impressed. AT4 3500 HD. Thing's done great. Halsey a champ. Right now we got, I think, I want to say 11 tons in that trailer. But yeah, right now we're just peeling back from the edge of the driveway, so the new asphalt we install will have a good depth and it'll be lined up good with the driveway. So yeah, we're just starting to strip the topsoil off here, get it all leveled out, graded how we wanted, sloped. It's never the best thing to do not to add the sub base, but I mean, you always got to go per customer request. I mean, if they don't want to spend the money, I mean, you got to give them the best product you can give them for what they're paying for. This contractor's commercial grade ground cover, I mean, that stuff works awesome. Super, super thick. And it still allows for filtration and stuff. So, I mean, it just divides those two materials from ever meeting each other. And that way the clay and dirt won't mix in with the crushed asphalt and make it soft. It'll allow for a good compaction. Also, raising that far corner there, customer wanted it sloped differently from what is currently there, so the water will run up into the opposite drain. So that's currently what we're doing here. just getting everything prepped, start spreading material. The black gold. Gosh, it's crazy how popular crushed asphalt's become. The product, I mean, it just works amazing. It's the best product there is for a gravel-based material. The way it just compacts, and it's just far superior to any other gravel-based material, and it's just became super popular. And it always looks good with residential homes and stuff too. Like, you get that black with the green grass and the white, it just all blends together real nice. But yeah, let me know, like, you guys, I'd like to get some more feedback in some of these videos. Hit me up in the comments below with questions or suggestions or just anything. I mean, anything you want to chat about. Like, we love the feedback, and it definitely allows us to make better content when you guys can kind of let us know what you think of the videos and what's going on and like what your thoughts are. I mean, it's always good to get as much feedback as possible. But yeah, keep on trucking. Appreciate all the views and the support and everything we've had lately. It's been going good. Keep it up. Let's go. Gotta get to that paper.